If you're experiencing issues with payments not going through on Afterpay, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that the payment method linked to your Afterpay account is valid and has sufficient funds. If your card has expired or there are insufficient funds, the payment will not process. Step 2. Review your account status. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Update payment information. If your payment method is outdated, update your card details in the Afterpay app or website. Make sure to enter the correct card number, expiration date, and security code. Step 4. Check for technical issues. Sometimes, payment issues can arise due to technical glitches. Try logging out of your Afterpay account, clearing your browser cache, or using a different device or browser to see if the problem persists. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Afterpay's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific information about your account and help resolve any issues. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix payment issues on Afterpay. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.